You don't know what question to ask when you want to know what something is called. Stay with me then. Hi guys, how are you doing today? Good, thank you. Not bad. Fine, thanks. Oh, I can't complain. Oh, very well. What about you? I'm doing good, thank you. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Great! Does anyone know what this is called? I don't know. No idea? I have no clue. Not really. How do you call that? We say, what do you call to ask for the name of something? For example, what do you call this? Restate the question, please. Restate? Yes, asking the question again using the right words. Oh.
All right. What do you call that?
I'll tell you at the end of this lesson. You can also ask, how do you say? But only to ask for translation, correct phrasing and pronunciation. Right, example of question for translation. Alex, how do you say hello in French? Good. Example of question for correct phrasing. Lucy, how do you say this in a polite way? Please and brilliant. Example of question for pronunciation. Nola, I don't know how to pronounce that word. How do you say it? That's a wonderful example of question for Nola. And this is a nail clipper. Nail clipper. Amy, restate the question.